In the quest for a flourishing garden, the key lies in maximizing your harvest. This comprehensive guide is your roadmap to unlocking the full potential of pumpkin seeds, focusing on the art of collecting and planting used seeds to ensure a continuous cycle of growth and abundance. As your pumpkin plants mature, you'll witness the fruits of your labor. Harvest the pumpkins when they reach their full size and have a deep, consistent color. Repeat the seed harvesting process to continue the cycle of growth. Pumpkin seeds are not just a tasty snack. They are also invaluable resources for any avid gardener. By collecting and saving seeds from mature pumpkins, you not only preserve the genetic diversity of the plant but also set the stage for a sustainable and cost-effective gardening journey. Step-by-step guide to harvesting pumpkin seeds. One, selecting the right pumpkins. Choose mature, healthy pumpkins for seed harvesting. Look for well-developed fruits with a rich color and firm texture. 2. Extracting seeds. Cut open the pumpkin and scoop out the seeds. Separate them from the pulp, placing them in the pulp. 3. Cleaning and preparing. Rinse the seeds thoroughly to remove any remaining pulp. Pat them dry with a clean cloth or paper towel. 4. Drying process. Spread the clean seeds in a single layer on a flat surface. Allow them to air dry for a few days until they are completely dry. Maximizing your harvest, a guide to collecting and planting used pumpkin seeds empowers you with the knowledge and techniques needed to turn each pumpkin into a source of future abundance. Embrace the journey of sustainable gardening as you harness the potential of your harvest and cultivate a thriving garden year after year.